Hey fam, it's Linda Word. So I'm coming on just to show you guys how I'm cleaning out this storage shed. I've had this sitting behind my patio furniture, I don't know, years. Actually, when they put up my wood fence, I remember not being able to find my hedger. And there it is right there inside this thing. So that just tells you how long it's been since I've even been inside this box. So I just wanted to come on and show you it's practically falling apart. The last time I cleaned it, I just used some glue thinking that that would hold it. But I mean, as you can see, leaves and everything is inside of this. And trust me when I say that I poked around, kicked it, and make sure any creepy crawlies that was inside have long left. Because I wasn't going to be digging in there for nothing. So I'm just cleaning it out. I'm going to use some Gorilla Epoxy. And it says it is good for plastic. So hopefully that will keep it together. Anyway, here's the video. Enjoy. I also want to show you my setup for this. I'm in Texas. It's over 100 degrees. And so I have my mister on, and then I also have a fan on me. So although it's 100 degrees in the spot where I'm sitting at, it's about 80. Nice cool breeze with a little mist. So, okay, enjoy.